Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is an exciting day because I've got my new tyres that I've ordered online and they're now being fitted to our motorhome. Our original tyres have been on there 8 years, so I'm probably risking a bit driving around. I'm risking a blowout, which I wouldn't want. So I've known them to actually write off motorhomes, which wouldn't be ideal, and plus they're obviously very dangerous because you can lose control of the vehicle. So time to get them done. I think these were £555 for all four, which are the Michelin ones. I'll leave which ones they are in the comments below, and the fitting's going to be about 100 quid and the chap's doing it now. So let's have a look. So the tyres I've bought are the Michelin Agilis 235/65 R16C, and I bought them from Tyreleader, which I wouldn't recommend. They took ages to come, the communication was pants, and I could have got them cheaper just from a mobile fitter. So that's tyre number 1 on. Got to get number 2 on, and then I didn't realise you have to upgrade your pump. I've got one of those typical 12-volt pumps for pumping up your tyres. He said that won't be good enough because of the weight, so I need to buy a new one of those, FYI. Also, your wheel brace. He mentioned about your wheel brace if you might struggle to change a tyre if you need to, because they need to be jacked up to some silly higher pressure. So I'll just leave it to Mayday breakdown cover. Fingers crossed, I won't need to do that. What tyres have you got on your motorhome and why? Does anyone go for those rogue alloys with the tyres? Are they any good? I'd like the rogue alloys because I think they look really smart, but I can't justify doing it. So let me know what you think, and if you've got them, let me know which ones you got and I'll have a look on their website. So tyres are all done. I'm really pleased, so it means our trip to France can be stress free, so I wouldn't want to blow out. New shiny tyres. New shiny tyres. I've got a bonnet bra. I don't know if you have to see it because the camera will try and focus on me. Just to stop those stone chips. We seem to pick a lot up in the transit on the bonnet, so that should hopefully give it a bit of protection and make it look like it's wearing a bra, which is nice as well. Who's had a blowout anyway on the motorway? I saw that Darren, the urban motorhome, he had a blowout in his last van just before he sold it actually, which is unfortunate. But on his he had damage all underneath the wheel arch, etc. because of the blowout, I think anyway. But if you've had a blowout, let me know in the comments. Other than that, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you put the bell icon on, then you'll get notified of our contents. This was just a short video to tell you I've got new tyres, so I'm showing off really. So see you on the next one.